Very pleasant good morning to you all, respected Director Sir, respected Madam, respected Assistant Headmaster, and to you all, my dear teachers. Today we are all gathered here for the Teachers' Workshop. Today's workshop is divided into two sessions. The first session, it will start from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. The second session, it will start from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. For both these two sessions, our respected madam will be taking over. But before the session starts, I would like to introduce our madam formally to you all. She is Madam Xukhuli Ayemi. She has done her masters in English. She has done her Bachelor of Education. She has done her Masters of Education. And currently she is teaching in Unity College of Teacher Education. And then she has been in the field of education for more than 9 years.
Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to this workshop, and I'm very much honored to be a part of this session, for which I give my special gratitude to our director, our HM, assistant HM, and all the teachers here. You know that we teachers, we all have that skills, that techniques, that strategies, method, approach towards teaching. Yes or no? We all possess that skill. And again, to brush that skill, to strengthen that skill, to smoothen that skill, we always need to refresh and update ourselves. Yes or no? So I appreciate this institution, their administration, for organizing this workshop, which I feel is very helpful indeed and very much needed to begin with any academic session. So I really appreciate the effort taken by them to give this workshop to each and every one of you today. Yes, you are all aware about the constructivist approach to learning, and the last sentence, involve me and I learn, talks about that constructivism. Okay, where we need to involve our learners in the teaching and learning process to make learning more effective. So as we conduct today's session, I want you to ponder on that very thought said by Benjamin Franklin. Now, under the skill of illustrating with example also, we have few components. Now, formulating simple example, that is the first component of the skill of illustrating with example. Now, simple example. What are simple examples? Simple examples are those that are related to the prior knowledge or previous knowledge of the learners. Okay, example which is related to what the learners already know. So, formulating simple examples is very important. Alright, to make them connect with the topic you are teaching. And how will you know if you are formulating simple examples or not? How are you going to know that? You can judge it from their participation. Okay? You can judge it from your learners' participation. You will come to know if you are formulating simple example or not. Then next we have formulating example relevant to the concept or rule. Very often when we teach, we tend to give example, go around the world and come back. Yes or no? Do you ever do that? As you give example in a class, you tend to move around the whole world, which is not even relevant to your topic also. You tend to be carried away, yes or no? So formulating relevant example means examples relevant to the concept. Okay, so not every examples are going to be helpful for the learners. Formulating those examples which are relevant to the content or the subject is going to be helpful for them. So we need to know what type of example to be used in which content. Alright, relevant examples. Now again, it doesn't necessarily mean that all your examples are interesting. Some examples that you are giving can be very boring, and you can see from their face.
Very good. Okay, very good. Now, we all know that a tree should survive, right? So in order to survive, it needs something, right? So something is missing in the picture. I want you to figure that out and I want you to come and draw it. Something. It needs something to grow. And there is a source that helps it to grow. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now we all know that a tree needs roots in order to grow, right? So it is a means of survival for it. So here today, I want you all to look at the left-hand side, okay? Here out the window, please look. Yes? What do you see outside the window? What do you see? Okay, trees, right? So today, the lesson that we're going to learn about is on trees, okay? So only God can make a tree, okay? So it is a poem. Only God can make a tree. So the first lesson that we're going to talk about today is, please repeat on the board. Yes, very good.
Give odd number. See, 1, odd number, 3, odd number, consecutive odd number. Clear? Plus 5, we can say easily. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. But shortcut process, what is the shortcut process? How many numbers are there? 3. 3 square equal to 9. In this way, 100 numbers, consecutive odd number, we can add shortcut way. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, this will make how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You practice at home and you can understand, okay? 100. Understood? In this way, 100 consecutive odd number, we can add shortcut way, okay? Faster than your calculator. If you have calculator, you do, and I will also do. Understood? This one addition. Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Now multiplication.
So students, are you all ready and excited to learn about new lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so before we proceed to our new lesson, let me ask you some few questions. Okay, can you answer me like how many continents are there in the world?
7.
Okay, very good. And how many main oceans are there?
4.
Yes. Okay, 5. Actually, it is 5. Okay. Okay. Now we have already studied and learned that we cannot go to one place to another to learn about the places on the world, on the earth, isn't it? So, right. Okay, then now can you tell me in our school, like approx, how many total number of students do we have? Like I said, it can be just an approx value.
1,000.
1,000? Okay. Now here we're on 40, right? And then here we are using 1,000, right? Now can you tell me the word 1,000 or these 40? Have you heard this thing for the first?
For our resource person. Because it is her dedication and hard work that she took some time from her busy schedules and then she came over here. And then I am very much confident at the same time that all of you, including me also, I myself also I am counting over here. Sometimes, since teaching learning is such a thing that